8 things you should always keep private. Privacy is a fundamental aspect of personal security and well-being. Here are 8 things you should always keep private. Number 1. Social Security Number. Your Social Security number is a critical piece of personal identification, and sharing it indiscriminately can lead to identity theft and financial fraud. Only share it with trusted entities, such as employers or government agencies, when necessary. Number 2. Financial information. This includes your bank account numbers, credit card details, and PINs. Protecting these details safeguards your financial assets from unauthorized access or fraudulent activities. Number 3. Passwords. Your online accounts, email, and other digital services often require passwords for security. Never share your passwords with anyone, and use strong, unique passwords for each account to prevent hacking and data breaches. Number 4. Personal health information. Medical records, prescription details, and health conditions should be kept confidential. Sharing this information selectively with healthcare providers ensures your privacy while receiving proper care. Number 5. Home address. Your physical address is sensitive information. Share it only with trusted individuals and entities, as disclosing it widely can compromise your safety and security. Number 6. Private conversations. Respect the privacy of conversations, whether in person, over the phone, or via messaging apps. Avoid sharing sensitive or personal details in public or insecure environments. Number 7. Personal relationships. Intimate details of your personal relationships, such as romantic or family matters, should be kept private. Sharing these with discretion maintains trust and respect within your relationships. Number 8. Work-related information. While it's essential to communicate at work, be cautious about sharing sensitive work-related details outside your professional network. Sharing proprietary or confidential information can lead to professional consequences. Remember, maintaining privacy is crucial in safeguarding your personal and financial well-being. Always assess the trustworthiness of the individuals or organizations you share information with, and use discretion in determining what to keep private. Thanks for watching.